In our part of the world, in Northwest Missouri, we have so much variability in both soil type and climate.
We got a lot of variability of soil types. I mean, we got some light ground, some heavy ground.
The soil types we have here would be what we call clay, red clay, bottomland, gumbo, sand, have a lot of sand.
Out here in western Kansas, far eastern Colorado, one of the problems we face is we have a lot of light soil. You know, with light soil comes leaching of your nitrogen, your sulfur.
We've got everything from like the blackest, stickiest gumbo dirt you've ever seen to some of the best made dirt in the world. It's good, bad, and indifferent, and everything in between. One of the nice things about Proven is it doesn't really matter what your soil type is, because we're not, going to be bound up by any type of soil. We're attached to your root.
Synthetic fertilizer doesn't break down very fast in dry soils. In our dry conditions, that's huge, I think, to have that return sitting there in the soil, healthier soil and better yields.
What I like that Pivot does is it levels out that field a little bit. So in the areas where nitrogen loss could be an issue or areas where root structure could be an issue, it sort of takes out the valleys, if you think of yield as peaks and valleys.
With big rainfall, with the leaching, and we do have issues with leaching in our types of soil. Proven solves the problem because it's there in the plant.
And that's one thing too with Pivot Bio is gives me a little bit more comfort that I'm not worried as much about leaching to where I have to come back and maybe white drop some nitrogen or something.
That is one nice thing about the Proven 40 is just knowing that, hey, I got 40 pounds of my budget, of my fertilizer budget, it's there, it's 100% efficient, and it's gonna be there for the crop.
It makes no difference what the weather does, rain, shine, drought, flood, it doesn't matter. As long as you have a living root structure, you have a colony that is going to provide 40 pounds of nitrogen to that corn plant.